Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete site stored data in Google Chrome browser. So if you want to clear website data stored in your Google Chrome, this is how you can do it. So this will help free up space, protect your privacy, and also improve browser performance. So the steps are, you can just open the Google Chrome and tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner and go to the Chrome settings. Here, go to the privacy and security. Click on this one, delete browsing data. And now you can just tap on. You need to make sure that these are checked. And after that, you can just tap on delete data to remove everything. You can also use Ctrl C plus delete on your Windows PC to quickly remove the browsing data. And that's it. Your stored site data is now deleted, and this will help you to keep your browser clean, fast, and secure. Let me know if you need more Chrome tips. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on thanks. Bye.